Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for geometry. Well, our exercise is as follow. We consider the figure as its side such that we have AB equals BC and AB equals AD and straight line AB perpendicular to straight line BC. So the question is as follow. Calculate angle BEC plus angle ADB. Always before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics, then complete the video. We have AB equals BC, so triangle ABC is isosceles that point B, so angle BCA equals angle BAC. We call this quality X, and we also have it AB equals AD, so triangle ADB is isosceles at point A. Then angle DBA equals angle ADB, and we call this quality Y. Since the triangles BEF, EFC, and BFD are right angle at point F, so angle FBD plus angle BDA equals 90 degrees, and BAF plus angle ABC equals 90 degrees, and angle FAC plus angle ACB equals 90 degrees. We call this qualities 1 and 2 and 3. Now we add these qualities 1, 2 and 3 side by side. So we got angle FBD plus angle BDA plus angle BAF plus angle ABC plus angle FAC plus angle ACB equals 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. So angle FAC plus angle BEF plus angle ACB plus angle ABC plus angle FBD and plus angle BDA equals 217 degrees. We know that angle ABD equals angle ABC plus angle FBD, and angle BEC equals angle FAC plus angle BAF. So angle BEC plus angle ACB plus angle ABD and plus angle BDA equals 217 degrees. From X and Y we conclude that angle BEC plus angle BEC plus angle BDA plus angle BDE equals 217 degrees. Therefore, 2 angle BEC plus 2 angle BDA equals 217 degrees. Now we have a common factor number 2. So 2 times angle BEC plus angle BDE equals 217 degrees. Then angle BEC plus angle BDE equals 217 degrees divided by 2. And therefore angle BEC plus angle BDE equals 135 degrees. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.